Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Kumar and I am your mathematics faculty. Welcome you to all class 7th mathematics ICSE board. Students, in the previous classes or video, we have already done exercise number 1.1. Now, in today's video, we are going to solve exercise number 1.2, which is directly related with the properties of multiplication of integers. So now let's begin the chapter number 1 and exercises 1.2. So the first question is express the additions in a simple multiplication form. Express the addition in simple multiplication form and find their values. So here the first one is -7 plus -7 plus -7 plus -7. We have to find the value of this. So you have nothing to do here, just count the number of repetitions. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times this number is repeated? So this is 4 times. So I write here 4 into which number is repeated 4 times? This is -7. So I write here -7. So now this is repeated 4 times. So I write here 4. Which number is repeated? -7. So I write here -7. I write here -7. So after multiplication, this is 4 and this is 7. I write here 7 4s are 28. Now what is the sign before this 28? So look, in this multiplication here, there is only one sign, which is minus. So I write minus here, -28. Now come to the question number 4. Come to the question number 4. Question number 2 and 3 is your homework. Please done at your home. Question number 4, which is -11 plus -11 plus -11 plus -11 plus -11 plus -11. Okay, so this is the question, -11. So firstly count how many times this -11 is repeated. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I just write first here 6. Now this is which number is repeated? -11. So I write here -11. So 11 6s are 66. 11 6s are 66 and the sign of this 11 is minus. So I write here -66. Okay, so this is question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2, which is find the product of the following integers by -1. Find the product of the following integers by -1. So we have to find the product when the number is multiplied by -1. So first question is here -36. So when I multiplied -36 with -1, -36 with -1. So firstly multiply both the numbers. So 36 into 1, there is 36. Now what sign I put here? So remember one thing, whenever in the product there is an even number, of repeated sign. If even number of repeated sign, then product is always positive. Remember this, always positive. Whenever there is an even number of repeated sign, here this is minus and this is minus, 1 2. Here minus is repeated 2 times, so the product is always positive. So here this is 36. Now second example, second number question is take question number 4. Question number 4 is -1. So when I multiplied this minus 1 with minus 1, so firstly just multiply both the number. This is 1, this is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Now count the sign. Here this is minus, here this is minus. 1, 2. 2 times 2 is even. So I simply put here plus, because the repeated sign, number of repeated sign is 2. So this is even number. So product is always positive. Okay. When second number, when I multiplied 0 with minus 1, so any of the number which is multiplied by 0 is always 0. So here the answer is 0. So this is question number second. Now come to the question number 3. Now come to question number 3. Fill in the blanks. In question number 3 is a fill in the blanks with symbol. Okay. So first one is minus 8 into 15. 15 into minus 8. So simply first multiply both the number. 15, 8 is 120, and here this is minus sign and this is plus sign. So the number of times minus is repeated is 1. So I put here minus, because 1 is odd number. So this is minus 120, and this is also 15 into 8, 120. This is minus and this is plus. Plus minus minus. Here minus is repeated 1 time, so product is negative. So this is minus 120 and this is minus 120. So both are equal. So I put the sign here equal. This is equal to. Now the question number 4. All the question which I leave here, all your homework. Okay. So the remaining question is take as your homework. So done at your home. The question number 4 is 8 plus 7 into minus 3. This is 45. Now this is 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 into, this is minus 3 and this is 45. So 15 into 3 is 45. Or here this is plus and this is minus. So plus minus minus, and this one is 45. So this is minus 45 and this is plus 45. So greater one is 45. So I put the sign, this is greater than. Okay. So this is greater than. Now this is question number 3. Now question number 4. Come to the question number 4. Quickly come to the question number 4. Multiply. Question number 4. Multiply. First one is minus 125 into 4. Minus 125 into 4. So just multiply first 125 into 4, and 125 into 4 is what? 25 4s are 100 and 400. This is 500. 125 into 4 is 500. Now here this is minus and this is plus. So plus minus minus. So this is minus 500. Okay. Now second one is minus 38 into minus 21. Minus 38 into minus 21. So multiply both this number. So minus 38 into 20. This is 798. 38 into 21 is 798. Now here this is minus and this is minus. 1, 2. Even number of times this minus is repeated. So in case of even, the product is positive, or we can say that minus minus plus. So I put here plus 798. Okay. Now question number third. 15 into minus 36. 15 into minus 36. We have to multiply both this. So the product is 36 into 15. So 36, 360 and 5, 180, 0, 4, 314 and 5. 540. Okay. Product is 540. And here look, this is plus and this is minus. So plus minus minus. So I write here minus. Okay. So this is question number 4. And all the remaining question is your homework. Question, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is your homework. Now come to the next question. 7 number question. 7 number question. No. Take 12 number question. Question number 12. Minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 2 to minus 2. So firstly, just count the how many times the negative sign is here. How many times? So count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 number of times negative is repeated 6. And previously I said if there is an even number of signs, so the product is positive. So this is minus minus, 6 number of times minus present. So I write here simply plus. This is minus minus 2 minus 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 number of times. So I write just here plus. Or if in case of confusion, you simply, in case of multiplication, you simply just cancel the multiplication sign. This one cancel, this one cancel, and this one cancel. So pair is cancelled, this one. So remaining is plus. So I write here plus. Now multiply the number 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 12 into 3, 36 into 3, 108, and 108 into 2 is 216. So 216 is your answer. Okay. So this is the question number 4. Now come to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Now come to the next question, which is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 5. Question number 1. Minus 5 into blank is equals to 5. Now, from which number I multiplied minus 5 to get 5? So here simply 5, this is 5 and this is 5. For sometimes forget this number, forget this sign minus. So in place of minus 5, I write here 5. So if 5 is multiplied by which number, we get 5. So 5 is multiplied by 1, I get 5. Now here this is minus and this is plus. So what sign I put here is minus, because some number, whatever be the number, if multiplied by minus 1, their sign will change. Okay, their sign will opposite or sign will change. So here this is minus and here this is plus. So I simply multiplied this number with minus 1 and we get 5. Okay, now the next one is question number 5th. Question number 5th is minus 4 into 3 into minus 5 is equal to, this is fill in the blanks, into 3 into minus 5. This is 3 into minus 5. So what we do here, how we proceed this one? Which property I used, which is associative property. Associative property. And what is associative property? So according to associative property, in multiplication, if grouping is changed, the result does not change. Okay, so look here, this is minus 4 into 3. This is the group and this is the number. So here look, this grouping is changed and now group is changed into 3 into minus 5. Here the group is 3 into minus 5 and the remaining number is minus 4. So I simply just put here minus 4. So simply I just put here minus 4. This is the associative property. Or if we take an example, there is A, B, C, 3 integers. Now if we take group of this, so this is A into B into C is equal to, according to associative property, now if the group is changed, B into C, so the result does not change. This is the associative property. In the multiplication, there is no matter what the group I made. Okay, so simply just multiply the number, the result is always same. Now question number 5. Now come to question number 6. Verify the following. First one, verify the following. Question number 6. First one is 17 into 6 plus minus 2 is equal to 17 into 6 plus 17 into minus 2. This is the question. Now we have to verify this. So firstly, take this one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. So take first left hand side. So in left hand side there is 17 into 6 plus minus 2. So this is plus and this is minus. So plus minus minus. So 6 minus 2. Okay. So this is 17 into 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 17 into 4. 17 into 4 is 68. Okay. Now go to the right hand side. RHS, there is 17 into 6 plus 17 into minus 2. Okay, 17 into minus 2. So simply just multiply this number. 17 into 6 is 17 6 102 plus this is 17 and this is minus 2. So simply first multiply both this number. So this is 34. 17 into 2, 34. Now this is plus and this is minus. Here this is minus and this is plus. So plus minus minus. So I simply write here minus. So this is 102. Now this is minus and this is plus. So plus minus minus 34. Minus 34. So after subtraction, what we get? 68. So this is 68, this is 68. Hence we can say that LHS is equals to RHS proved. Okay. Now also look this question. This is 17 into 6 plus minus 2 in the whole bracket. and this one is 17 into 6, 17 into minus 2. Here this 17 is multiplied by firstly this number, then this number, 17 into 6 and 17 into minus 2. So here simply I distribute this number to these both this number. So this property is distribution property. Distribution property. Okay, so this is distribution property. Now next question. Second number question is your homework. Okay, similar question like this what I did here. So similar type of question is question number 2. So done at your home. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Find the value using suitable properties. Find the values using suitable properties. So first one is minus 6 into minus 82 into 14 into 0. All are in multiplication. So you know, I think you all know that whenever there is a number is multiplied by 0, we always get 0. Okay, so whenever something is multiplied with nothing, we always get nothing. So answer is here 0. Now come to question number 3rd. Question number 2nd is your homework. Question number 3rd is minus 885 into minus 36 plus minus 885 into minus 64. Okay, so in question 7 number question, find the value using suitable properties. So which properties I used here? So simply look, this is minus 885, this is minus 885. So can I common this minus 885? So I take common minus 885. Now in bracket here minus 885 is common, so remaining is here minus 36 plus here minus 885 is common, so remaining one is here 64. Okay, and this is what? If multiplied with this, then this. This is which property? Distribution property I used here. Distribution property. Okay, so now this is minus 885. This is minus 36 and this is plus minus 64. Now this is minus 885 into minus 36 and minus 64. Both the sign are same, so simply add both this number. This is 100 and this is both the sign are same, so I simply put the same sign here. So this is minus 885 and this is minus 100. So number of times negative sign is repeated is 2, which is even. So the product is always positive. So I put here plus, or we can say that this minus and this minus is cancel out, or minus plus. So 885 into 100 is what? 88500. So this is your answer. Okay, I simply take a common minus 885 because this is repeated 2 times. So minus 885 I take common. Remaining is here minus 36 and here minus 64. So by looking this, if I look, then it is simply a distribution property. So I use this property here and simply add this and we get the answer. Okay, now come to question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Question number 7, subpart 5. Subpart 5. 345 into 99 plus 345. So similar question like this. Firstly, we have take common 345 because 345 is repeated 2 times. So I take common 345. Now, if I take 345 common from this, here 99 is left. Now, plus here 345 if I take common, the remaining part is 1. So this is 345 into 99 plus 1 is 100. So we get 34500 is your answer. Okay, this is question number 7. Now come to question number 8. State whether the following statements are true or false. So first one is, to get the opposite of an integer, we have to multiply it by 1. No. For getting, if I want to get opposite of an integer, example, if I have a number 5 and I want minus 5, so I have to multiply it with minus 1. Now, if I have a number minus 1 and I want to get 5, if I have a number minus 5 and I want a number 5, so from which number I want to multiply? I have to multiply with minus 5. This is minus 1 because minus 5 into minus 1 is equals to 5. So whenever I want a number which is opposite of the sign, so I simply multiply it with minus 1. So first one is, to get the opposite of an integer, we have to multiply it by 1. No. Second one is, to get the opposite of an integer, we have to multiply it by minus 1. Yes. Okay. Third number, the product of 5 positive integer is positive integers. Yes. 5 positive integers. If I multiplied 5 positive integers like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the result will also positive integer. So the answer is here, yes, true. Now, fourth one, the product of 5 negative integer is a negative integer. 5 negative integers. What I told to you, what I wrote here, which is, if there is a even number of sign, if there is an even number of sign, the result will always positive, and if there is an odd number of sign, odd number of negative sign, the result will also always negative. So in question number 4, the product of 5 negative integer, here 5 is odd, so product of 5 negative integer is always negative. So this is also true. Now question number 5, for any two integers p and q, for any two integers, non-zero integers p and q, p into q is always greater than either p or q. Take example, if I have a number p is equals to 6 and q is equals to 5, so if I multiply this 6 into 5, which is 30, so this 30 is greater than p also or greater than q also. So the statement for any non-integers, non-zero integers p and q, p into q is always greater than, p into q is always greater than p and q. So the statement is true. The sixth one is, any integer multiplied by 0 always gives 0. When something is multiplied by nothing, we always get nothing. So last one is also correct. Ninth number question, for any integer 4, what is minus 1 into 4 equal to? Simple question. If I multiplied any number with minus 1, the sign will always opposite. So 4, if 4 is multiplied by minus 1, we get minus 4. Now the question number 10 is, find an integer b such that b into b is equals to minus 1. So any integer which is multiplied by itself is negative. Look example, if I take b is equals to 1, then 1 into 1 is always 1, because here b into b, in question said b into b is minus b. So if this is b into b, the result is always b. Okay, so this one is wrong. Now if we take b is equals to minus 1, why I take here 1? Because in answer there is a same number, because this is B and this is B. So again, if I take minus 1, so if I multiplied minus 1 with minus 1, so we get 1 here. This minus is plus, so final answer is plus. So according to question, is there any number, is there any integer which is multiplied by itself will become a negative of that number? No, such type of integer is not available in integers. Okay, so there is no number which is multiplied by itself will become a negative of itself. So the final answer of this 10th number question is no integers such like which get this. Okay, so this is all about exercise number 1.2. So please complete your notebook and write down all I have done on the board, and also do which I have given to you a homework. So this is end of the video. Thank you for watching this and have a nice day. Thank you.